So, a few days back, I received a mail from a truck mover company who wanted a lead capturing chatbot for their site. So, let's create it for them, together. Let's start. First of all, open Botpress dashboard and click on Create Chatbot. Select Start from Scratch template and it will take you to our main dashboard. We will take Start from the text card as a Hello card. As you open the dashboard, it will be already present on our flow, but you can also select it from Sidebar as well. As a user come in contact, the bot will greet the user and introduce himself as well. Or you can type something else as well, but whatever it is, it will be the first message your bot will display. Next, we will create a choice card on another workflow. Here we will give the user choices to select from. As the choices are different on the card, we will also create different workflow for each choice, so the bot can display only that information which the user prefer. If the user selected Book a Move, then the bot will ask the user a variety of questions to gather info and do his booking. One thing I want to add is that for questions, always select the raw input card. As you can see, I am using raw input card even to capture dates, while there is a date card too. The reason for that is that if you are asking a question from the user, then raw card is better, while with regular cards like date card, etc. You can face a bit of a problem, so it's better to use raw input card. I will speed up this capture cards process a little so you don't get bored. Now, after answering all these questions, we will send the user to another card where we will show him our packages, and he can select whichever suits him the best. By the way, when I first started selling chatbots on Fiverr, I didn't have much knowledge, so I'd copy such templates from videos, and then when a client would need a chatbot, I'd make some changes in these templates, and then I'd send them the bot. It's just a tip for you guys, so if you are thinking to earn some bucks from chatbots but don't have much knowledge, then you can adopt this method too, as a beginner. Now let's start the workflow for the question. In Expression Card, we will turn the knowledge agent on. So whenever the user asks a question, the bot will look the answer in knowledge base. Now our next card will be again choice card. So whenever the user question is answered by the bot will then ask the user if he chooses to continue the conversation or not. In case of yes, the bot will turn back to knowledge base and answer another question for the user. But in case of no, the conversation will be ended. Now our bot is almost completed, but as this is a lead capturing chatbot, we will create a data table in which the bot will save the questions that we ask the user. For that, we will first assign variables to our capture cards so that the bot know what to save and what not to. Now here first we will add the knowledge base so the bot can answer questions from. You have to do nothing, just click on knowledge base and paste the domain of your website. It's that easy. Now next we will create a data table. After creating data table, now place the insert data card in the last card because it only captures the data that is not passed on through it. So if you put it somewhere in the mid, it will only capture the data the bot received before reaching this card. Remember those variables we assigned earlier? We will link the data table with those variables with the help of this card. Now let's test our bot and see if it works or not. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an update. Also, let me know in the comments, what do you want to see next? Goodbye.